welcome to another HD. Today we're going to be driving in the rain. So that's why I wanted this blanket. We're going to San Antonio because I got all A's. And look, I have Bucky. You know my Bucky set or Bucky looks. Okay, you are. There. Hello, Steve. I am Mr. Bucky. Okay, you are just kind of nice for me, right? He's gonna get out the little secret hiding spot. Okay. And then cover him. Yeah, like little hiding spot. And my socks off. My socks. And cover Bucky with my Star Wars. Well, it's so loud. Put. I got this little Bucky.
Have your charger in the charge.
No, listen.
Is your seatbelt done correctly, Eden?
Yes.
On your waist,
Yes.
not your gut.
Yes. Your nose. But you have the tissue.
Breathe.
Look.
Swing back and forth.
Bucky is in a safe little hiding spot when it rains. Hello, everybody. This is a dark. Yes, and I am still in my little penguin. It's super ready. I'm going to. It's like, Daddy, how many more hours? How many minutes? 15 minutes. 15 minutes away. Okay, I'm so starving. And we are just 70 more miles, and then we'll be there. And I have unlimited data, so I don't think anything's gonna get wrong with the camera. But look, I'm still get on the line, and see you guys next time. Wait for a minute. I forgot to show you that. See that? No, wait, look. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.